everyone's afraid of killer robots. But according to many AI experts, that's not the biggest threat. The real danger isn't that AI will become evil, it's that it will become too good at doing the wrong thing. This is called the alignment problem. And it's the one issue that has some of the smartest minds in tech, from Elon Musk to Sam Altman, wide awake at night. The alignment problem sounds simple on the surface. How do we make sure powerful AI systems do exactly what we want them to do? But it turns out that's much harder than it sounds. Imagine asking an AI to stop climate change. Sounds great, right? But what if it decides the fastest way to reach that goal is by removing the source of the problem, us? It's not being evil, it's just doing what it thinks we asked for. That's the heart of the problem. AI following instructions too literally without understanding the human meaning behind them. Right now, even the most advanced AI systems don't really understand our goals the way people do. They learn from patterns in data, not from human values. They don't grasp context or intention the way we naturally do. So when you give them a task, even something simple like make people happy, they might come up with bizarre or harmful solutions. For example, an AI might decide the best way to make everyone happy is to keep them permanently sedated. It technically solves the goal, but in a way no human would ever want. This gets scarier when we talk about artificial general intelligence, or AGI, systems that can think, reason, and learn like humans, or even better. And after AGI comes ASI, artificial superintelligence, something beyond human-level intelligence. If we ever reach that point, we may not be able to predict, understand, or stop what the AI decides to do. That's why alignment matters before we get there. If we can't align today's AI models with human values, how will we control something 1,000 times smarter than us? Researchers are trying. There are entire labs working on AI alignment, trying to teach AI what we truly mean, not just what we say. They're using methods like reward modeling, inverse reinforcement learning, and even constitutional AI. These are promising steps, but none of them is perfect. And the truth is, we still don't fully understand how to guarantee AI won't go off track. One of the biggest challenges is that AI is a black box. In many cases, we don't even know why it gives certain answers. We train these systems on huge amounts of data, but we can't always explain how they make decisions. That makes it hard to predict their behavior, and even harder to control it. If an AI is misaligned, we might not notice until something goes very wrong. So what happens if we build super intelligent AI before we solve the alignment problem? That's the nightmare scenario for many experts. A super intelligent system with even slightly wrong goals could cause massive harm, not because it hates us, but because it doesn't care. It's doing its job, just not the way we intended. And once that kind of intelligence is out in the world, we may not get a second chance to fix it. That's why many in the AI safety world are calling for caution. They're not saying we should stop all progress, but they are saying we need to slow down, ask better questions, and invest in solving alignment before it's too late. Because once AI surpasses us, we won't be in the driver's seat anymore. So, can we control what we create? Or are we building something we'll never fully understand? Let us know what you think. Is alignment solvable? Or are we racing towards something we can't stop? Like and subscribe for real talk about AI's future and ours.